Micro-focused data center automation allows you to take advantage of features like our intelligent scheduler and out-of-the-box compliance content by using them with your existing infrastructure. For instance, DCA integrates with a Puppet master to discover Puppet managed nodes and automatically schedule and push jobs to the nodes independent of the Puppet agent run, while still utilizing the existing Puppet infrastructure. Let's take a look at the policies that we'll be using today. The policy contains the service level objectives as well as the benchmarks that we're going to scan and remediate against. First, we'll look at the Spectre and Meltdown policy. This contains a patch bundle specific to the Spectre and Meltdown vulnerabilities. You'll see here this policy has the patch bundle attached and a service level objective for measurement of 1 day and remediation of 7 days. We'll also take a look at the CIS policy here. And the CIS policy contains benchmarks for both scan and remediation for the CIS requirements, and they're all available out of the box, ready to go right away and use on your Puppet infrastructure. You'll see here we've got a measurement service level objective of 1 month and remediation of 1 month. Let's take a look at the resource group. This is a group that I put all of the Puppet servers in. And if we click view details on this resource group, I'll show you what's here. You can see our Puppet managed resources. We've got our policies attached for Spectre, Meltdown, and CIS, but we don't have a maintenance window. And the scheduler works by combining SLO with the maintenance window, so we need a maintenance window. So we add here a maintenance window. We're going to do a weekly read and write, and we're going to set up our parameters of our maintenance schedule. This will run weekly, every week on Sunday. Now we have our policy SLOs defined, and we've got our maintenance schedule is now attached to the resource group, so we should have jobs intelligently scheduled. And if we go over here to jobs, we can see that, and we can filter the jobs list based on scheduled jobs. So these are jobs that DCA automatically scheduled based on our service level objectives and the maintenance windows as the opportunity of when work can be done. And it's important to note that DCA can push these jobs to the Puppet managed nodes independent of the Puppet agent run, but still leverage the Puppet architecture and Puppet agent. So you don't have to wait around for a Puppet agent run. These jobs will run as scheduled based on the intelligent scheduler.